Hi, welcome to the Kobe Malaki channel. So today we are diving into the world of car dashboard warning lights and indicators. My name is Perez. Have you ever wondered what those little symbols mean? Now let's break them down in this quick guide to keep you safe on the road. Section 1. This will cover critical safety warnings. The first one is the airbag indicator. This light means there's a problem with your airbag system. So you need to get it checked by a professional right away to ensure your safety. The second one is the anti-lock brake warning light. Now this usually shows that there's an issue with your anti-lock braking system, which prevents wheel lockup during sudden stops. You need to have it inspected as soon as possible. 3 is the check engine light. This can signal anything from a loose gas cap to serious engine problems. So don't ignore it, get a diagnostic check too. The fourth one is the oil pressure warning light. Now this warns of low oil pressure or low oil levels. Stop driving, check your oil and top up or seek help if needed. The fifth one is the temperature warning light. Your engine is overheating. Pull over safely, let it cool, and check the coolant levels to avoid further damage. Section 2. This is going to cover the brake and traction systems. Parking brake light. This means your parking brake is engaged or there is a brake system issue. You need to check the brake and consult a mechanic if it stays on. Next is the traction control light. This shows your traction control is active, helping your car grip slippery roads. It's normally during tough conditions. Next is the traction control malfunction. This light means the traction control system isn't working properly. Get it fixed for better handling. The next one is the tire pressure warning light. Now this one alerts you to low tire pressure. Check all tires and inflate them to the recommended level for safety. Section 3 is going to cover the electrical and power systems. We have the charging light. This one indicates a problem with your battery or alternator. You need to get it checked soon to avoid being stranded. Next is the reduced power warning. Your car is in limp mode to protect the engine, so drive slowly and head to a mechanic, please. Next we have the master warning light. This is a general alert, often paired with another warning, so you need to check your dashboard for details and act accordingly. Section 4 is going to tackle lighting indicators. The first one is the high beam. The high beam shows your high beam headlights are on. Use them only when needed to avoid blinding others on the road. Then we have the side light indicator. This means your side lights or low beam headlights are active, perfect for dusk or dawn. We have the front fog lights. This confirms your front fog lights are on, ideal for low visibility conditions like in heavy fog. We have the fog lamp indicator. This shows your rear fog lights are on. Use them sparingly to avoid confusing other drivers on the road. Then we have the headlight range control. This indicates your headlight angles are being adjusted, often in advanced systems for better visibility. Now here we have first the fuel warning light. This means you're running low on fuel. Refuel as soon as possible to avoid running out. The fifth section will handle fluid and safety alerts. Then we have the washer fluid indicator. This means your windshield washer fluid is low. You need to top it up for clear visibility. Then we have the seatbelt warning light. This reminds you or a passenger next to you to buckle up. Always wear your seatbelt for safety while on the road. Next is the door, bonnet or boot warning lights. This one shows that there's a door or a hood or a trunk that is not closed properly. Check and secure them before driving. The sixth section is going to handle security and driving modes. The first one is the security light. Now this one usually indicates an issue with your car's anti-theft system. Please check your key or consult a mechanic if it persists. Then we have the ECO. This shows your car is in fuel saving mode, optimizing efficiency. So this one helps you to drive smoothly to save gas. The four-wheel drive. This confirms your four-wheel drive system is engaged, great for off-road or slippery conditions. Then we have the engine start indicator. This means your car is ready to start, often seen in keyless ignition systems. We have the fan indicator. This shows the cooling fan is active, keeping your engine at the right temperature. It's usually normal during hot conditions. The seventh section is going to handle emergency and navigation. The first one here, we have the hazard lights on. This indicates your hazard lights are flashing, warning other drivers in emergencies or breakdowns. Then we have the direction indicator. This confirms your turn signals are working, letting others know your intended direction, left or right. That's it for our guide to car dashboard lights. If any warning stays on, please check your manual or visit a mechanic. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and drop a comment if you've seen any of these lights pop up. Please stay safe and drive smart. Bye bye.